Alright, buckle up, because after years of delays, rumors, and radio silence, GoPro is finally doing it. Yes, the GoPro Max 2 is no longer just wishful thinking or tech forum speculation. It's real, and the company's officially teasing it themselves. No blurry prototype leaks this time. We're talking full-on teaser images on social media, featuring skydivers mid-air with the camera in action. The tagline? Just one word, dropping. It's simple, subtle, and honestly kind of perfect. If you've been waiting for this camera as long as the rest of us, you already know the struggle the Max 2 has had one of the longest development cycles in GoPro history. There were delays, long silences, more delays, and then finally, the fact that GoPro is teasing it themselves means we're closer than ever to the official reveal. And honestly, it couldn't have come at a better time. Why? Because the 360 camera world is heating up fast. GoPro is no longer the only name in the game. DJI is getting ready to drop their Osmo 360. Insta360 has already released the X5, and whispers of an X6 are already making the rounds. The competition is fierce, and GoPro clearly doesn't want to be left behind. So what do we actually know so far? Based on the teaser images, the design of the Max 2 has definitely evolved. Instead of the off-center lenses from the original, the Max 2 looks like it's going for a more balanced, centered setup. It still has that classic chunky, square form factor GoPro is known for. But now there are beefier cooling fins on the front, likely a much-needed addition to deal with the heat from higher resolution video. Speaking of which, let's talk specs. Nothing official has been confirmed yet, but fans have high hopes, and rightfully so. The big ask, 8K 360-degree video, at the very least. And if GoPro wants to truly impress, 8K at 60 FPS would be the dream. Smooth, high-res, immersive footage, because, let's be honest, anything less in 2025 would feel like a letdown. There's also talk of a brand new processor, possibly the GP3, which would be a major upgrade over the previous models. That means better stitching, faster performance, less overheating, and overall smoother operation. Basically, a much-needed brain upgrade for GoPro's most advanced camera. Another area where the original Max fell short was the sensor size. It was stuck with a tiny 12.3-inch sensor, which even at the time felt underwhelming. Now people are hoping for something bigger, maybe even 1-inch sensors to compete directly with Insta360 and DJI. If GoPro manages to pull that off, it could be a serious game changer in image quality and low-light performance. There's also a rumored upgrade to include a standard 1/4-inch tripod thread on the bottom, finally allowing us to mount it directly without needing weird adapters or bulky mounts. It's a small detail, but one that matters a lot to every day. Creators, now let's talk software, because even the most powerful hardware in the world won't matter if the user experience is clunky. And unfortunately, GoPro's quick app still feels like a bit of a chore. It's improved slightly over the years, sure, but it still can't compete with the slick, intuitive, and feature-rich editing tools offered by Insta360 Reframing AI. Tracking filters, transitions, Insta makes editing feel creative and fun. With GoPro, it sometimes feels like you're doing taxes. If the Max 2 is going to be a serious 360 contender, GoPro has to step up its software game. It's no longer optional, it's essential. Battery life is another major consideration. With 8K resolution and more powerful internals, GoPro will need a redesigned, more efficient battery system, possibly paired with their waterproof power door tech, which has been a hit on other GoPro models. Longer runtimes and smarter power management will be key, especially for creators on the go. So yeah, this isn't just another leak or rumor, this is real. GoPro is officially teasing the Max 2, and that means the full specs, pricing, and launch date could be just around the corner. So what do you want to see in the GoPro Max 2? Is 8K enough for you? Should GoPro go all in on software, or do you care more about battery and sensors? Drop your thoughts in the comments side. Love to hear your wish list. And if you enjoyed this deep dive, don't forget to hit that subscribe button, like the video, and ring the bell, so you're the first to catch our full breakdown when the Max 2 officially drops. In the meantime, Check out my reviews of the Insta360 X5 and the latest DJI Osmo 360 updates. Both videos are linked right here on your screen. Catch you in the next one. Peace.